around me, tell them say this not fine. One another know for them I come and act like. The way you brother, and I'm good for a feel my vibe. Watch them keep the pretty soon, them I go. Watch how them color like a sunlight. Them color like a cross line. After that you have his come on me, them can't lie. He don't want to raise up and tell you what I'm doing on the man. How are you up and I'm a listen when I go. Now don't see I can't see great bro. They are like the trees in your blue. I make them show it. When I go. Words could have put on me over my side. Fucking shit. Do what they like. Fucking like them want to hear with them for a good night. You're there, keep my night. I'm not feeling better than every night. Oh, the point. Yeah. When I love away, I feel like I'm dying. If you are following these who are affected by Reggae medicine, I want to sing this verse again for them. Jando, oh no, Jamaica, we love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Loving all of the crews. If you love Jamaica, you're supporting Jamaica through this tough time. Honestly, put your hands in the air if you have a flag with them in the air. I'm Caribbean people, you love Jamaica. No matter where you're from and you're on this ship right now. If you love Jamaica, I want you to put up something in the air with Jamaica right now. Yeah. Jamaica. Yeah. So we find that. So we tell me, man, where time gone? See them try come category, find down, working out for your mother, prayer, keep with lights out. Now the food in the plate, we buy it out. We just don't be safe. Right, man. Got the courage in the game and think for the lights up. You're the courage in the game. It's such an honor to get the opportunity to be on a stage like this. Yeah, I'm forever grateful, you know. So big up to Mr. Beres Hammond, Jabba, our crew, for the invite. Yeah, you people are the people who have to keep live music, reggae music, and the lovers rock, and a good vibe, good dancehall music alive, because you love music for sure. Yeah, that's the only reason why you're standing on a boat tonight, in the middle of the ocean. Thank you so much. Now, I want to sing this song. It's a brand new song. Can I sing a new song for you all? This song is called Finally. Yeah. Now I'm going to tell you about a girl who I met at the airport one time. I was standing on the sideline and tell us. Yeah. When we see her, we say, yeah. You know? And you know you ladies go on sometimes. This thing on earth to get. But I must say, today, we're watching movies on the couch at home. A girl who go on like that. I see you love me. This is a family show. I love this kind of vibe, you know. I don't feel too nervous, but I just feel at home. As Mr. Beres Hammond would say, family, you know? Yeah. So this is a family song. Do I got some good woman inside here now? All good woman. Good woman down now. Come on. She keeps me burning in the mind. That's the really of a good day. She brings me down to shit.
Yes, indeed. Love and I want to make some noise for Romain Virgo. Rising star, look what they have done. Jamaican people, look what they have done. For the lovers of reggae music, look what you have done. You have created a singing sensation. The youngest legend in the business, that's right. What a show. Make some noise one more time for Romain Virgo. And the band on the stand. And make some noise for yourselves. You need a wonderful audience. This is the end of this show. And we have until 4 a.m. in the morning to party. And before we go any further, please, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, book your cabin or cabins from now for the 10